Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 51, carbon and its compound. In this worksheet we will discuss about saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. As we have studied till now, hydrocarbons are the molecules containing hydrogen and carbon atoms that are bonded to each other and may or may not contain other atom. It may contain other atoms other than hydrogen and carbon and may not be contain other atoms. These molecules or compounds which are made up of hydrogen and carbon are called hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are classified into two distinct categories. First one is saturated hydrocarbon and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now we will discuss the difference between the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons in which all hydrogen and carbon atoms are bonded together with a single covalent bond, having only single covalent bond between the carbon to carbon atoms and carbon to hydrogen atoms. Such compounds are called saturated hydrocarbons. Common name or general formula and general name of these compound is alkane, in last three letters ANES, last four letter ane. Alkanes and general formula is CnH2n plus 2. N is the number of carbon atom. If we put the value of N, then we will get the formula of this series. Alkane यानी कि saturated hydrocarbon compounds. Examples are given to you. Methane formula is CH4, ethane formula is C2H6, propane formula is C3H8. These all three are ane, methane, ethane and propane all are ane. That is why they are single bond compound and saturated hydrocarbons. Now unsaturated hydrocarbons in which all the carbon atoms are bonded together. All the carbon atoms means carbon to carbon atoms are bonded together with double or even triple bonds. These are more reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons compounds are more reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. General formula, there are two general formulae for double bond and for triple bond. Alkenes, ENES, alkenes are double bond compound, while the alkynes are triple bonds compounds having one carbon to carbon triple bond, and in alkenes one carbon to carbon between one carbon to carbon double bond is there. General formula CnH2n, while the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2, and is the number of carbon atom. If we put the value of n or number of carbon atom in place of n, we will get the formula of that alkene or alkyne or alkane. एग्जाम्पल्स एल्कीन्स के एग्जाम्पल्स कौन से हैं बच्चों? इथीन एंड प्रोपीन, ENE. इथीन फार्मूला इज C2H4 while the propene formula is C3H6. Both these compounds have double bond, and alkynes ethyne and propyne. Ethyne formula is C2H2, propyne formula is C3H4, and these compounds have triple bond. So alkynes and alkenes both are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now we will discuss the electron dot structure of these compounds. Electron dot structure is given to you. Methane. Methane formula is CH4. So electron dot structure having all the bonds are single bonds. CH4 hydrogen atom and 1 carbon atom. This one is methane. Similarly, ethane. 2 carbon atom but all are single bonded. All hydrogen atoms and carbon atoms are joined together by a single bond. So this one is the H, 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 and all the valency of carbon are saturated with single bond. Ethane. Similarly, ethene means 2 carbon atom, but between these 2 carbon atom there is a double bond or 2 electrons shared by each atom of carbon. In the ethine there are 2 carbon atom, but these are shared by 3 electrons and form triple bond between carbon to carbon. Now chain structure, branch structure and ring structure. Carbon to carbon chain or carbon to carbon atom form straight chain structure, branch structure and ring structure. What are these? There are carbon compounds methane, ethane and propane containing respectively 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. Methane, ethane and propane. Such chains of carbon atoms can contain many more carbon atoms. Means carbon atoms can make the long chain of carbon atom. And if the chains are straight, then these compounds are called straight chain compounds. Branch structure. The carbon skeleton with 4 carbon atoms of butane. Butane is the compound having 4 carbon atoms. Show 2 different possible skeleton. First one is straight chain structure. Second one is branch structure. Filling the remaining valencies with hydrogen, we get the structure like this. Both of these compound having single bond. The hydrogen and carbon atoms are bonded with single bonds. Here, both these structures have the same formula C4H10. If we count the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atom, we will get the formula C4H10. Such compound with identical molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers. क्या कहते हैं इनको हम? Isomers. These are isomers. Isomers क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Such compounds with identical molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers, just like two structures of butane are given to you. Now ring structure. Some compounds have carbon atoms arranged in the form of ring. Carbon atoms arranged in the form of ring. Such compounds are known as ring structure compound. Example is cyclohexane. Cyclo means circle and hexane means 6. 6 carbon atoms arranged in a circle or ring. Formula is C6H12. Here the circle of 6 carbon atoms, when all the valencies of carbon are satisfied by single bond with hydrogen atoms. They can be saturated or unsaturated. Ring structures can be saturated or unsaturated. Here the example is given to you of benzene. Benzene is unsaturated ring structure compound having double bond. Now we will discuss question answer. Your first question is, draw the electron dot and bond structure for A pentane and B propene. You have to draw the structure. Here the structure is drawn for you. Electron dot structure and bond structure of pentane. Pentane means how many carbon atoms? Pentane means 5 carbon atoms. So 5 carbon. 5 carbons are arranged in the straight chain structure. Here the red color electron are shared by the carbon atom, while the green color dots shows the electron shared by the hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen atom in total? Total 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 12 hydrogen atom and 5 carbon atom. All carbon atoms are joined together or combined together with single covalent bond. That is why pentane is a saturated hydrocarbon, and molecular formula of pentane is C5H12. Here the electron dot structure and bond structure is given to you, is drawn for you. Now second, propene. Pene, it means it contain one double bond. So propene means how many carbon atom? 3 carbon. 3 carbon atoms are there in propene, and bond structure is given to you. Here the 2 electrons shared by each carbon atom, that is why they are making double bond. And bond structure is one double bond is present in this compound. Molecular formula is C3H6 and the name is propene. What is the name of this compound? Name of this compound is propene. This one. Question number 3. Question number 3. In question number 3, you have to ask, write the molecular formula of cyclopentane and also draw its bond structure. Cyclopentane. You have to you have to discuss the question number 2. Draw the electron dot and bond structure of ethane and how many bonds are necessary between the 2 carbon atoms in order to satisfy their valencies. So you have to draw the electron dot structure of ethane. Ethane means 2 carbon atoms, and this one is the electron dot structure of ethane. 2 carbon atom is there, and all the both two carbon atoms and all the hydrogen atoms are bonded with each other by a single covalent bond. Molecular formula is C2H6. And total number of bonds are 7. Total number bonds कितने हैं इसमें? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And carbon to carbon bond कितने हैं? In ethane, 2 carbon atoms shared by a single bond, and total number of single bonds are there 7. So this is the electron dot and bond structure of ethane. Third question, cyclopentane. You have to draw the bond structure of cyclopentane. This one is molecular formula of cyclopentane C5H10, and all carbon atoms are bonded with single covalent bond. That is why its name is cyclopentane, and it is saturated hydrocarbon. Total number of single bond in the cyclopentane is 15. If you count the bond, you will get 15 single covalent bonds are there. And this is the structure of cyclopentane. Molecular formula C5H10. Your next question is, write the difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here the difference is written for you. Saturated hydrocarbon contains only one carbon-carbon single bond. Only carbon-carbon single bonds. All carbon atoms attached with single bond, carbon to carbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon contain carbon-carbon double or triple bond. It may carbon to carbon double bond or triple bond is present in the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons burns in air with bright blue flame, while the unsaturated hydrocarbon burns in air with sooty yellowish flame. Third, saturated hydrocarbons are comparatively less reactive, while the unsaturated hydrocarbons are comparatively more reactive. Here the example is given to you. This one is 2 carbon atom compound having single bonds. It is called ethane. And this one is ethene. Carbon to carbon are bonded with double bond. Ethene. So example of unsaturated hydrocarbon, and this one is example of ethane is the example of saturated hydrocarbon. Thanks for watching.